Y'all remember, stay home and stay safe. Love y'all.
Okay, what's up, y'all? So my friend just dropped her wig off to me. She ordered a wig from LuvMe here. Okay, so I'm gonna unbox it. She unboxed it already and took the wig out and tried it on, of course. But she dropped everything off, so I'm just gonna unbox it, get it out. I'm gonna bleach it for her, pluck it, and that's about it. And to be honest, I don't know what inch she ordered. I think she ordered an 18-inch. I don't know if she ordered a 13 by 4 or 13 by 6 either, so we're gonna see now when I open it. I should be able to tell. Looks like a 13 by 4. So I'm gonna show you the part of face. And it already came with the band. She got a body wave. Looks like an 18-inch body wave. It's real pretty. That's one thing about that LuvMe. They have some real soft, pretty, sheeny hair. Yes, honey. And I'm not getting much shedding from it. Not much. Normal. It is pre-plucked a bit. They did try to add a little bit of baby hairs. Yeah, I said try. But we're gonna go in there and perfect it a little more. Just a little bit. And we're gonna bleach her knots.
So what's cracking, y'all? This is my friend. I'm gonna go ahead and install her wig. So as you can see, I braided it back already. I went ahead and did that. She has one side of her hair shaved off, so that's the side that did not get braided. We're gonna go ahead and put her wig cap on with some freeze spray. And don't forget to cut your client's tabs out, ear tabs out. That gives the flattest wig cap install. So yeah, we're just gonna dry this, add some makeup, and she's gonna be installing her wig with just freeze spray today. She doesn't want glue. She will be taking it off in a couple of days. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so go ahead and try your client's wig on. You want to make sure everything is sitting right and comfortable and even on the head. And then go ahead and cut the excessive lace from around the ear. Okay, so get your freeze spray. Don't drip it all in your client's face like I just did. But get your freeze spray. Go ahead and put 2 layers just like you would do glue. Spray, dry, then spray again. Lay the lace down, and I like to spray on top of the lace as well for a better hold. So yeah, let's watch. Take your comb and just go ahead and comb it in. Comb that hair down. It just helps it stick and hold a little longer. Hold better, I should say. Dry it. I like to put 2 slits in the lace when I'm going to cut it so that you're working with sections. When you work in sections, it goes way easier and you get a flawless install. So go ahead and cut the middle off first and then repeat for both sides. Okay, so go ahead and part out the hair you'll be using for the baby hair. Use a little mousse just to hold it out your way. Yeah. And go ahead and tie the hair down just for a little bit before you get to cutting and swooping it. Just so you can have a real scalp effect. If you know what I mean.
Birthday, G. I got Halloween, G. I got money in my pocket, G. I'm good.
So yes, it was her birthday. I think this was like a couple days before her birthday. So she was lit from today all the way the whole weekend until her birthday. So yeah. Happy birthday, Mika. So my little advice on this baby hair shit, cause I know it gets frustrating. Everybody always come like, I can't do my baby hair, but I don't really know what to tell you. Just keep swooping. Keep swooping and swooping and swooping and keep practicing and just keep swooping. I know it gets frustrating. I know hair gets in your way, but you gotta just keep swooping and keep practicing and you'll get it. Just be gentle, swoop, get your nice little edge brush and lock it in. Tie it down. That's gonna give it that flawless look.
Anything way up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, will be on it. Oh, I got five, you know it's so alive. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide.
What the fuck is that, G? These about a flyaway control stick. The fuck? It's like a remote control? What is it gonna do? Blow my hair out? What is that, G?
Well, that's it, guys. See, quick, easy, and simple. You can install your own wig at home. As you can see, she's birthday ready and ready to go. I'm going to catch y'all next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.
We supposed to be the no stress in the world of stress. The one relaxation in the world of chaos.